Keep up. We don't have much time.
Affirmative. Match screen.
This is the brief on cinematic AI filmmaking using Higgsfield AI. So the source material breaks down how to create movie-quality AI videos. We're talking 2026 level stuff using Higgsfield AI. The whole idea is to produce these amazing visuals in just minutes with no camera, no actors, and no complex editing software. So how does it actually work? Well, it really boils down to three key things. First, it's an all-in-one platform. Higgsfield AI is designed to be super affordable and beginner-friendly. It literally handles everything for you, generating high-quality images, animating them into video, and giving you total control over the camera motion and the whole mood of the scene. Second, everything starts with a really strong AI image, which means you've got to get good at prompt engineering. You just have to think like a filmmaker. Specify things like dramatic lighting, a camera angle like a wide shot, or maybe a shallow depth of field to get that professional-looking blurry background. And finally, this is where Higgsfield really shines. It transforms those static images into moving, cinematic scenes with just a few clicks. You pick your image, choose an AI video model, and then tweak things like camera movement and timing. You just repeat that process, and boom, you've built a whole sequence for a short film or marketing video. So if you're prioritizing speed, cinematic quality, and a process that's super easy to learn, this platform delivers amazing results without you needing any complex editing skills.
Hello, hi everyone. I'm introducing you to Higgsfield AI platform, where you can create a superb images, video, a very high quality cinematic video, and is a very user friendly, and give you a very high quality cinematic video. Leverage on AI. Let's enjoy it together. Okay, quick one. Welcome to Higgsfield AI platform that provides you the opportunity to generate a very fantastic and highly engaging images, cinematic video as you like. Like I said, Higgsfield AI is all in one AI video generation platform that lets you generate high quality cinematic image, animate those images into video, control camera mode, style, It's one of the cheapest AI platform available, and it is beginner friendly. Okay, let's quickly look at most of the images created for this short movie. As you can see, under the image section, these are the images. These are the images generated. So you just have to create the image one after the other. Then you can, make use of them and create your video. So when it comes to image generation, what you need to bear in mind is that you have to write a very good prompts. You have to be creative, describe how you want the image to be. You have to have the idea of what you want. So then you choose the appropriate model for the image. There are some models that are designed for video, some are designed for image. So Nano Banana is recommended model for image. You choose it, then you choose the aspect ratio. So 16:9 is good for YouTube if you are shooting for YouTube. If you want to create just single image, then you can reduce this to 1, or you can add more, like 2, 3, maximum of 4. So you have variety of image at once. Then you choose a choice. So after you make your necessary setting, then you click generate. Make sure you write a good prompt. The prompt is very vital when it comes to image generation, because that give model the description of how you want it, how you want the model to fine-tune the image for you. Then if you want to, you can use this plus sign if you want to add any already existing image, maybe your picture, probably you want it on the image that you want to create. Then you have to insert it, or if you don't want, then you just write a good prompt and model will give you a very quality image. So after the image, then as you can see, these are different images generated for the short movie. After that, then you can move to video and lay them and get them converted to animation video.
Activate all systems and prepare for the demonstration. Good. Let's show them what we built. Begin operation. Power up and climb functionality activate. Let's begin. Ride. Starting ride mode. Let's start the show.
Activate now.
Keep up. We don't have much time.
Affirmative. match image of screen.
This ends now.
No one escapes this battlefield!
Stand your ground or reform! They're right on my tail. I need to lose them. Hold on tight. This is gonna go. Need this rope.
I didn't mean for any trouble. Please, let's sort this out peacefully.
We appreciate your cooperation. Stay calm and follow our lead. I'm sorry for the chaos. We had no choice.
We're here to help, but you need to cooperate.
Okay, let's unpack this. We've all been hearing about AI video, but the claims are starting to get a little wild.
Definitely.
So our deep dive today is tackling a really big promise that you can create cinematic movie quality video in minutes.
And with supposedly zero traditional gear.
Exactly. We're talking no cameras, no actors, no editing software. It sounds a little like science fiction.
It does. And the source material we're looking at, it's basically a detailed walkthrough of how this is possible. It focuses on one specific tool, a platform called Higgsfield AI.
Right. And the whole idea, the thesis behind it is that the bottleneck isn't your budget or your technical skill anymore. It's just your imagination.
And how well you can describe that imagination to the AI.
Which is exactly what we need to master for you. So
Okay.
our mission here is to get into the nuts and bolts of the method. How does it actually work?
Yeah, beyond the hype.
We need to understand the 3 core steps.
Yeah.
First, how you generate that initial cinematic image. Second, how you turn that static image into a moving AI-powered scene.
With controlled motion, which is key.
And finally, how you string it all together to create a complete sequence. We're basically looking for the shortcut to next-gen digital storytelling.
And what's so fascinating is how the skills are shifting. You know, you're moving away from managing cameras and lenses and editing timelines to mastering prompts and virtual camera control, all inside one single app.
That integration seems to be the key word here. So let's start with the platform itself, Higgsfield AI. We're told it's all-in-one.
Which can be a red flag.
Right, all-in-one can sometimes mean master of none. So what are the sources claiming this thing actually is?
Well, it's defined as a fully consolidated AI video platform, and the integration is the main selling point because, you know, traditionally you'd need at least 3 separate tools.
One for images, one for animation.
Exactly. One for generating the image, another for the animation and keyframing, and then a third piece of software for things like camera moves and the final render.
And the nightmare of moving huge files between all 3.
A total nightmare. So this platform, it integrates 3 core things right out of the box. First, as you said, generating high-quality cinematic images.
Okay.
Second, animating those images into actual video clips. And third, and this is the important part, controlling the cinematic elements, camera, motion, mood, style directly inside the video generation step.
So you're not having to drag things around on a timeline later.
Precisely.
Right.
That takes away the biggest pain point for anyone who's, you know, been intimidated by professional editing software.
That is massive. If it handles the rendering and the movement, that's a huge barrier removed.
It is, and it's being pitched as really efficient. It's supposed to be beginner-friendly, but also one of the cheaper AI platforms out there.
So it's about accessibility and quality.
That's the promise.
Okay, let's get into the workflow.
Okay, thank you guys. That's all about the Shorts movie. I will leave the link for you below. Start exploring Higgsfield AI. It's a very good platform, and I assure you, you have a very creative design. Image, video, and all other creative things you can talk of. There are a lot of superb models there, and a lot of updates are coming up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. Please, there's a link below. Get started and explore Higgsfield AI. It's a very affordable platform.